What's the meaning now up on Sunday morning and I'm beaming, but that's the thing, two loops I'm stuck until you figure it and base off. I took a seat of elephant, so what the fuck? In actuality, well, have you seen the movie The Faculty? My babysat Elijah Wood back in the 90s. I thought I told you that I'm hearing cars and wearing hats. I'm traded in my soda bottles and some candy cash. I got no raps, but there's no way that you should notice it. I'm ripping off more single skin and coughing out a corn in it. Rolling chicken empty-headed like a wicked Apollo picking. It just gets to the ticks until there's someone sicking. And if you're listening, I'm kinda listening. I think it fits in, don't be a dick, man. I'm just a lesson on a waterbed. Impulsive, insulting, insult impulses, repulsive, set on motion book. Macaulay Culkin in a boat bin, talking bullshit, dysmorphin, body morphin, endorphin, it's much more proportion. Like on fat road sweeties, but not made, I'm not made. Yeah, I made bed, I paid. Like John Favreau and sweeties, but not made, I'm not made. Yeah, I made bed. Doing so dark, give us a bolo, coffee, the war, got us a lot of him on and on, so I'm down in the yard and relaxing with Eddie. Look on his dick, having necklace, so it's this and what's this? I'm off on the beaten path and shit. I'm on John Malkovich and not just kangaroos, busting the Auschwitz. What if the past fits? Busting the couch whips. I bet the muscle rips, just to touch your fucking itch. I wish you was Charlie, Randy Kaufman, and a coffee facing. Felix Seymour Hoffman, we're watching the puzzle softly. Charlie, Randy Kaufman, and a coffee facing. Felix Seymour Hoffman, we're watching the puzzle softly.
I was like dreaming at the end there, and then I was like, wait, don't go away.